Hi guys, really quick, I'm going to show you how you're going to solve this problem. So first thing we're going to do is read the story problem. It says Lee makes 12 creepers in a day. Choose all the equations Lee can use to make an array with his creepers. So it looks like he drew some creepers, created some creepers, what we see off of Minecraft. So what I'm going to do is grab my pen tool, and you're going to do this on your drawing on Nearpod. And I'll choose green since that's what most of the color is, and I'm going to draw 12 of them. And when I'm drawing these 12, I'm going to try my best to kind of make an array with them. Make sure that there's nice, neat rows and columns, So far I've got 9, 10, 11, 12, and I've made an array. So that means that I can use an equation. I can choose an equation that Lee can make to do this array. It wants to choose all the equations. So here's at least one, and we know since there's one array that we can make two different equations with it. The first one will be adding the rows, which would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I'm going to make that one down here. So our first equation that we could do for Lee's 12 creepers is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now we can add the columns, which go up and down, and looks like there's 4 in those. So another equation would be 4 plus 4 plus 4. And all you need to know is if you're making an equation for your array, it has to have that repeated addition, which means it has to have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, the same number repeated adding, repeated addition. And then another one, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Some of you guys might already know one equation where we just chop the number 12 right in half, which is 6 plus 6 equals 12. So if we were to make that 6 plus 6 into an array, then you're going to see how there's another equation that we can create with those. So if I create the 6 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. So we added our rows, 6 plus 6. Now we know we can add our columns, which would be 2 plus 2 plus 2. So let's start in that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And I'm running out of room, plus 2. I think I got all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll put our equals 12 down here because they can't fit it. So there, we made all of the equations that we can come up with for that array. So the first step that you want to do, because you're getting ready to do this on your own, the first step that I would do is create your own array with the amount of objects, whatever it is, whether it's creepers, dories, whatever it is. Create your array for it, and then see what that array is telling you where an equation is. And then take a little bit further, move those drawings around, put them in different spots, and then you'll see that your brain will just automatically make those nice, neat rows and columns, which will create those equations for you. So use that to guide you. So now you're going to do one on your own.